Plant FAQs. Philodendron Calkins Gold. Philodendron Calkins Gold. Your guide to the striking striped philodendron. They call me Ferb, and I'm a plant enthusiast with a particular fondness for the dazzling Philodendron Calkins Gold. This beauty isn't just about the stunning variegated foliage. It's surprisingly easy to care for, making it ideal for plant lovers of all experience levels. If you're curious about bringing a Philodendron Calkins Gold into your home, you've come to the right place. This FAQ will answer all your burning questions about this captivating plant. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. Light, indirect is best. Philodendrons, in general, thrive in medium to bright indirect light. While your Calkins Gold can tolerate lower light situations, it won't reach its full potential. Think dappled sunlight filtering through a sheer curtain. That's the sweet spot. Direct sun is a big no-no, as it will scorch the leaves. Keep an eye on your plant and rotate it occasionally to ensure even growth. Watering. Let the soil dry out. Here's where things get easy. Philodendron Calkins Gold doesn't like soggy feet. Overwatering is a common killer of houseplants, and this one is no exception. The best way to water is to let the top inch or two of soil dry completely before giving it a thorough drink. Excess water should drain freely from the pot's drainage holes. During the cooler winter months, you might find yourself watering even less frequently. Remember, underwatering is always better than overwatering. Soil drainage is key. Speaking of drainage, the right potting mix is crucial for your Calkins Gold's happiness. A well-draining, airy potting mix is essential to prevent root rot. Look for a mix specifically formulated for aroids, plants in the Araceae family, which includes philodendrons, or create your own using a combination of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark. Feeding a little goes a long way. Philodendron Calkins Gold isn't a heavy feeder. A balanced, diluted houseplant fertilizer applied monthly during the spring and summer months is sufficient. During fall and winter, you can hold off on fertilization altogether. Humidity, not too picky, but appreciates a boost. While Philodendron Calkins Gold tolerates average household humidity levels, it will truly flourish with a little extra moisture in the air. Grouping your plants together or using a pebble tray filled with water can help increase humidity around your Calkins Gold. If you live in a particularly dry climate, consider a humidifier for optimal growth. Propagation, sharing the beauty. The joy of philodendrons is that they're relatively easy to propagate. Stem cuttings are the most common method. Simply take a healthy stem tip with a few nodes, remove the lower leaves, and pot it up in a well-draining mix. Keep the soil moist, but not soggy, and provide bright, indirect light. With a little patience, you'll have a new Philodendron Calkins Gold in no time. Common issues and how to fix them. Brown leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or excessive light. Check your watering habits and adjust accordingly. Move the plant to a location with less intense light, if needed. Stunted growth. This is often a sign of insufficient light. Give your Philodendron Calkins Gold brighter, indirect light. Pests. Mealybugs and spider mites can occasionally become a nuisance. Regularly inspect your plant and treat infestations with neem oil or insecticidal soap. Philodendron Calkins Gold versus Painted Lady. Both the Philodendron Calkins Gold and the Philodendron Painted Lady are stunning variegated philodendrons, but there are some key differences. Leaf shape. Calkins Gold has elongated, lanceolate leaves, while the Painted Lady's leaves are more heart-shaped, deltate. Leaf color. Calkins Gold boasts a bold white stripe down the center of its green leaves, while the Painted Lady has a mix of green, cream, and sometimes even red on its foliage. Growth habit. Calkins Gold has a more compact growth habit compared to the vining Painted Lady. Light preference. Both prefer indirect light, but Calkins Gold tolerates lower light levels slightly better. Ultimately, the best choice comes down to personal preference. Conclusion. The alluring Philodendron Calkins Gold. With its captivating striped foliage and easygoing nature, the Philodendron Calkins Gold is a must-have for any plant collection. By following these simple care tips, you can ensure your Calkins Gold thrives and brings a touch of the tropics into your home. Now get out there and find your own piece of philodendron magic.